Hello friends, so now I have changed some trend and we are ready to move for this particular thing, right? So I just got some idea to make this video live so that you can see me, and mm, many complaints I have got that your videos are just like still when you are explaining something it should come up like this. So I'm doing it. Give comments if you like this. Anyways, today we are going to discuss linear equation of class 8. As you know, what is linear equation? Linear equation is something in which a polynomial which is having the highest degree 1. Highest degree means the power of the polynomial is 1, right? That we have already discussed many times this thing that if the highest power of a polynomial is 1, that means that particular polynomial is considered as a linear polynomial, right? So if it is an equation like ax plus b is equals to 0 or something, then we'll call this polynomial as a linear equation. Second thing comes when it comes to when it is having a one variable, like an expression which is having one variable, I'm going to show you here. If it is written like a x plus b equals to 0, then we will call this is a linear equation in one variable. Why? Because a is a coefficient of x and b is a constant, and the entire term of the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So this is a linear equation in one variable. There are linear equation in two variable, linear equation in three variable, four variable, and so on. When we proceed for this particular thing, then we definitely will, if it is not becoming very simple for us to complete that task, then we go for the some other method of completion. That is sometimes we are also using matrix method, which is not in your syllabus. We'll study those things in the higher classes. Right now in your class we are having something which we can discuss right now. So this should not be there. Now we're going to discuss something like we are having one question here. That is question number. So this is a question which we can discuss today. Divide 4500 into two parts such that 5% of the first part is equals to the 10% of the second part. I told you many times, don't start just after looking at the question, don't start solving it, don't jump on the question. First you read 2-3 times, give time, understand it, and then solve it. Right friends, so we are already having this question. Again I'm going to read this for you. Divide 4500 into two parts. For example, I'm having 4500 rupees. I want to give one part of the 4500 rupees to my friend, and the remaining part I want to keep it with me. Are you getting this point? 4500, from that 4500 I am just trying to give some part to my friend, and the remaining part I want to keep with me. Right, so how we can proceed in this particular solution? We can see here that solution can be, how the solution can function over here. As usual, as we always take, let the first part be x, because other things we cannot let. Remember, we can in place of x we can use any of the variable. It is not like we always take x. It's not mandatory. We generally used to take x variable whenever we are taking something which is unknown to us, but it is not mandatory that only this particular variable is assigned for taking let. You can take any of the variable. Instead of x you can take a, b, c, d, whatever you want to take, you can take. Understood? Now we can proceed. That first part we have taken out of 4500. First part is x. So what is the second part? Second part is 4500 minus x, because x part I have already given to my friend. Now what is left with me? 4500 minus x is remaining. Understood? Then we will proceed with the solution like this. Right friends? So the second part is equals to 4500 minus x. Now the next part will be, according to the question, what question says, I will write this way. See, step by step you have to follow. Then there is a least chance, means there is a very less chance that you are going to commit mistake. I'm telling you this fact. If you follow every step, there is a very less chance that you are going to commit mistake. So follow each and every step. I'm just proceeding step by step. In every step I'm giving some statement when I'm dealing with the word problem. Follow those steps. Understand? Now look at it. Let the first part be x, second part be 4500 minus x, and according to the question, what we will get next? What question says? 5% of x. Read here. You can read here. 5% of x. 5% of the first part is equals to the 10% of the second part. 10% of the second part. So what is the next step? Is equals to 10% of the 4500 minus x. Okay friends, so I'm going to solve this now. In front of you, you can see I will solve this first step over here. So this is going to be something like 5% of x. That means 5 upon 100. That if you want to remove the percentage sign, you have to write it like 100, and then of means multiply x is equals to 10% of. That means you have to go for 10 by 100 into 4500 minus x, right? This is in the bracket. I'm not going to open the bracket right now. 0 and 0 will get cancelled over here, and this side 5 and 100 will get cancelled. So what you will get in the denominator here? 1 in the numerator and 20 in the denominator. Now I want x terms together. So x is equals to, if I take this denominator part to the right hand side, it will come up in the numerator like 20 upon 10 into 4500 minus x. Understood? Then this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled, and x is equals to nothing but 2 times 4500 minus x. When you open this bracket, what will happen with you? When you open this bracket, this will go like 2 times 4500 is simply 9000, right? So this is going to be 9000 equals to 9000 minus 2x. Now look at it. I'm just going to tell you here. If it is x is equals to 9000 minus 2x, then that will come this side. X plus 2x is equals to 9000, isn't it? Now if you further simplify this particular equation, which is given here in this description just below, you can get 3x, right? So this is 3x is equals to 9000, and both the sides will be divided by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, and this 9000 and 3 will get cancelled by 3000. So the value of x is equals to 3000, right? So we can say that 3000 is a number which is here. X, the first part is 3000, and the second part is 4500 minus 3000, that is 1500, right? So these are the two numbers in which we divide 4500 to get our answer, right? So this was a first question which we did. So the question which is given here is your homework. Try to solve this. If you're not getting it, please mention it in the comment box. I'll give the solution of this question also. You like this video, then you please give thumbs up, and whatever the problems you are having, please mention it in the comment box, so that as soon as I'll come to know that the problem you are having, I'll come back to you with another video and solve your problems, right? So don't think that this is my channel. Actually, this is yours channel, where you people are discussing with me about your problems you are facing in the classroom, right? And if you are still having any problem, you just mention in the comment box. Subscribe it if you have not yet subscribed, because whatever the new videos we are going to launch, the notification initially will reach up to you if you press a bell icon in the downside, which is given in below the video. Okay, Thank you guys. Have fun. Goodbye.